Hello everyone, welcome to Janex Reviews. My name is Aditya. Today I am going to make 4 different kinds of Spider-Man jigsaw puzzles. So let's get started with the first puzzle. So this is a 24-piece jigsaw puzzle. So let's assemble it. Spider-Man puzzle is assembled. The second puzzle of 24 pieces, let's assemble it. Puzzle is ready now. The third jigsaw puzzle with 30 pieces. So let's assemble it.
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. But mother will catch you, cradle and all.
The third puzzle with 30 pieces is assembled. The fourth jigsaw puzzle with 60 pieces. So let's assemble now. The 60 pieces jigsaw puzzle is assembled now.